here we are, Whiskey Row. Look at this. St. Michael's Alley. Looks like all the parking is taken up. The Palace right there. That's the oldest bar in Arizona. Here's a better view. That's the City Hall here to the right. It's better without the glare. World's oldest rodeo. Just about everywhere you turn, you can grab a drink, get some food, do some shopping. A Lone Spur Cafe. Then they've got a nice park here. Some folks are kicking a soccer ball over here and just enjoying the evening. Got a list of everything here. Retail shops, personal attractions, probably restaurants, yeah. Right here in the center of town. It's Whiskey Row right here. And so you can come in here and look at all these little shops. It's kind of like a flea market, it looks like. St. Michael's Alley. Man. Let's check it out. Whoa. Got a hotel right here, that's cool. This place, you gotta have some postcards. So here's the shopping mall that had the world's oldest rodeo on there. I was hoping to get a postcard somewhere. Prescott Brewing Company. Wow. Oh, this is cool. It's a 3-story little shopping complex. You can tell the floor's got, well, not these floors, but foundation. Got a little bit of age to it. And a directory right there. Oh, this is what it looked like back then. Those are the doors we just went through. How about that?